Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a happy birthday celebration. So let's get started. To draw these cute party cuties, let's first start by drawing the gift box. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to draw a soft line across for the lid. So about right here. And when I say soft, I mean I'm not aiming to make it perfectly straight. I'm actually trying to give it a little bit of a bend. And then I'm going to come down. So same thing with all my lines. I just want to give it a little bit of a curve and then connect. And so this is just meant to inspire you, of course. You can make your gift box whatever size you want. So now that we have the lid, I'm going to come down and draw the box. So once again, I'm not really aiming to draw straight. So just give a little bit of a curve. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want it nice and soft and cute. So about right there, same level, I'm going to go ahead and connect it there. The only ones maybe that I might want a little bit straighter is like the bottom line and the bottom line of the lid, if anything. Okay, so now that we have our basic box in, let's come up to the top, kind of find your center, let's say about right here, and we're just going to draw a little bow. Well, actually a big bow. So I'm just going to come up and curve it in. And like I said, once again, this is meant to inspire you. You can decorate your gift box however you want. So I really hope you have fun with this drawing. Okay, so now that we have our bow on the top, and you can decorate your lid however you want, of course, stripes or polka dots. I'll do that when I'm coloring. And let's see here. Now let's just draw everything first, right? Maybe that'll be more fun. Okay, now that we have our gift box, let's come to the side right here. We're going to draw our little cake. So I'm going to find my bottom line here, and I'm just going to come across right next to it. So say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a small line for the base of our cupcake here, and then I'm going to connect it. So I just want it really close to our box. There. And then about right there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a bunch of zigzags all the way across. Then I'm going to come to the top and we're going to draw some cream. So maybe like 3 layers. Top. And then right here, I'm just going to slope down and then draw the same thing on the other side. And bring it down. And then you can come in here with some curves to give it some texture. There. And then the reason I'm sloping is because right in the center I want to draw a candle right there, and then we're just going to draw a little line and then our flame. And then let's see here, let's just go ahead and put some stripes on our candle. Okay, so now we have our basic cupcake in here. Now we need to draw the balloon, right? So I'm going to have the balloon really close to our box because we want our hands, the box, to be holding it. So let's say about right here. I'm going to start, and I'm just going to draw this big ovalish shape. So as I come to about right here, I'm going to stop. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just come all the way back. So I'm going to stop about right here and draw a curve, like kind of like taking a chunk out of it. And then I'm going to continue all the way down to complete my balloon. And the reason I'm drawing this curve is because I want to add a little hat right here. So I'm going to make this little cone shape. And then we're going to come to the top and just draw some of these flares coming out to make it extra festive. And then let's come to the bottom right here. Add a little neck to our balloon, and that is pretty much it for all the general elements. So now let's bring it to life and make it extra cute. So let's start with the box. I'm going to come about right here and draw a circle. I hope this is your favorite part. Bring it all to life. So I got one circle. I'm going to come right across about right here and draw the same thing. There. Now my 2 circles in, I'm going to come in here with 2 smaller circles for highlights. and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top for these Draw So Cute eyes. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So definitely let me know in the comments below when your birthday is. Let's give everyone, each other, a shout out for our birthdays. And wouldn't it be cool if it's your birthday when this video comes out? So right there, and then I'm going to come about right here and just draw a soft curve over each eye and a sweet smile right in the center and cap it off. Then from there, let's bring this cupcake to life. So I'm going to come about right here and I'm just going to draw some happy eyes. So 2 curves right here because we don't have much space, and then a mouth. We're going to curve, cap it off, and add a little curve, and then a tongue, and shade that part in. And I guess I'll draw the lines when I'm coloring, so it's not so harsh with the Sharpie. And let's see here. So now let's connect everything. So I'm going to come about right here. So the box, the hand will be about right here. Then the cupcake's hand will be about right here. So connect and then just thicken up the ends. There. And then the other side, the other hand be up and thicken it up. So on this side, we're going to come to the same thing on the other side, and we're going to have a hand that goes up. So about right here, kind of the same length as that hand. And then let's go and thicken it up. So we want this to come right to the hand. So come through the hand and down. There. And then of course we need to make the balloon extra happy as well. So well, before I do that, let's add some stripes to our hat here. There. And then let's come to about right here, and I'm just going to draw a big curve coming down, thicken it up, and same thing here, kind of at a slant. And then a mouth. So right about here, cap it off, and let's open it up. Then shade it in. And if you like, you can add some lashes right here. There. And let's make it extra festive. Let's add some confetti. So if you want to do that, I'm going to come about right here in the top space and just draw a bunch of confetti going all different directions. Maybe some squares, some zigzag ones, some rectangles. It's all up to you. I just really hope this inspires you, and of course we can even put in some hearts. Why not, right? And here, going different directions. And that is pretty much it for this drawing to celebrate a happy birthday. I really hope it inspires you, and I made this fun and easy today for you to follow along with me. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.